DNA strand replication, and in the lifetime of cell, only once DNA replicate. Here, this DNA produces two daughter DNA with one strand new and one strand old from mother DNA. Therefore, this method of replication is also called as semi-conservative method of DNA replication. First step, what happened? This original mother DNA consists pairing of nitrogen bases. When there is an enzyme helicase acts on an initiation point or original point where breakdown of this bonds takes place. Due to breaking of bond, these bonds get broken down with the help of enzyme helicase and these two strands get separated from each other. One strand, these two separated strands act as leading template and lagging template. Leading template produces another new strand around this, that is called as the leading strand, and around the another strand, that is lagging template, around this lagging template new lagging strand is produced with discontinuous strand. Leading strand is continuous, lagging strand is discontinuous. These are anti-parallel. Here 5-N, here 3-N. DNA consists two strands which are parallel, but these are why anti-parallel? Because one goes through upward direction, another goes to downward direction. 3 dash, when one end consists 5-N, another end of that strand consists 3-N. One end consists 3 dash, then another end consists 5 dash. Therefore, anti-parallel. These two strands are anti-parallel. When this fork is formed up, these two strands get separated from each other. Around this leading strand or leading template, new leading strand is formed, which started when one end of this leading strand is 5 dash, then another end is 3 dash, and new strand formed like 3 dash and 5 dash. Here, in the nucleoplasm, what happens? The nucleotides are present. With which nucleotides are there? When there is an adenine, sugar and phosphate, another nucleotide with thymine, sugar and phosphate. That means complementary nucleotides are coming to this original nucleotide. Therefore, towards A, T is attracted. Towards G, which nitrogen base is attracted? C. Like that way, these nucleotides are arranged in continuous manner in leading strand, but discontinuous manner in the lagging strand. And finally, this unwinding takes place throughout this length of DNA, and two daughter DNA are formed like this. And in this two daughter DNA, one strand is from original mother DNA, another strand is new. Therefore, this method of replication is also called as semi-conservative. Semi means half. Conservation means original DNA as it is. Therefore, this method of replication of DNA is called as semi-conservative method of replication. Here, this started with a O point and ends with T point, termination point. This looks like, the initiation process of replication looks like a forceps, inverted forceps, therefore Y-shaped. It is inverted Y-shaped. It shows structure like Y-shaped. The steps in eukaryotic organisms, replication of DNA takes place only once in the cell cycle. Replication occurs in the S phase of, that means synthetic phase of the interphase of cell cycle. In the process of life cycle of cell, S phase is there, synthetic phase, where DNA replicates. The process of semi-conservative replication consists of following steps. First step, activation of nucleotides. There are 4 types of nucleotides, that is deoxyribose adenine monophosphate, deoxyribose guanine monophosphate, like this. And these nucleotides, adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine, these are the types of nucleotides present in the nucleoplasm. They are activated by the ATP. ATP is required for process of replication, that means energy is required. And enzyme phosphorylase is also required for the process of replication. Second step, point of origin, that is the initiation point, begins at the specific point called as O point and terminates at the T point. The unit of DNA where replication occurs called as replicon. That means where replication occurs of the strands of DNA. The nick occurs. Nick means cut. Cut. Weak hydrogen bonds are get cut. Here that nick occurs in the sugar phosphate backbone or the phosphodiester bond. Where phosphodiester bonds are present? Phosphodiester bonds are present in between sugar and phosphate of DNA. Unwinding of DNA molecule, next step, that means DNA molecule get separated or strands get separated. Which enzyme helpful? Enzyme DNA helicase helpful in the breaking weak hydrogen bonds in the O point. O point means origin point. Thus DNA strand separates and unwind. The unwinding is bidirectional and continue as a Y-shaped replicating form, and each separated strand act as a template. The two separated strands prevented from coiling by SSBP, that is single strand binding protein. When the strands get separated, they are again not coiled with each other. That means twisting not occurs. Because of which protein? SSBP is the protein. Single strand binding protein is there. Next step, formation of replicating fork. Next step, synthesis of new strand around old strand, and next leading and lagging strand gets formed up, and last phase, formation of two daughter DNA with one strand is